Today I am going to make chicken pulao. You know how to make chicken pulao? Don't worry, I will teach you how to make chicken pulao. Let's see ingredients: onion, tomato, ginger, garlic. You know, when you cut onion, you start crying. I already cut my onion, tomato, ginger, garlic, chicken already washed. I soak my rice there. Now we will start making. I will make this paste: tomato, garlic and ginger together. I will make paste. Need to add some water because without water it will not blend. This is our paste. We need to wait for mild brown this onion. This is Dubai life. When you are cooking in kitchen, you start sweating. So you need one small fan, rechargeable. Now you can see our onion is already mild brown. We will add our paste that we make already. Wow! Now we will add our salt, red chili pepper, garam masala, and now we will mix it and we will make it low dim. I will add some pickles, national mixed pickles for good taste. That's enough. You see my masala, my gravy, very nice color. Oh my god, oh my god. I made this gravy like 5 to 10 minutes. Now I will add chicken. So we will make this chicken until the chicken color gets brown. We will mix it properly so chicken will get down inside. Now we will leave it, and after every 2 minutes we will mix with masala gravy. Like we cook already chicken like until 10 minutes. Our chicken is already brown, soft. So we will add now water. Now we will make high flame. Now we will add rice. Now water is already dry. We will leave this with cover until like 5 minutes with very low flame. Now our rice almost ready. Wow! Oh my god! Oh my god! Let's try. Wow! Very tasty. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, follow, bell icon, whatever you want. Goodbye.